Hello everyone, here we're going to showcase how to deploy an easy agent into the Maestro platform. So the first step is to install the Maestro SDK. That can be done via Python with pip install dental apps. That will install all the necessary packages. You can check if the installation was correct by running dlm --help, right? So with that installed, then we need to get an API key to interact with the platform. So I'm going to log in here. If you don't have an account, you should create one. So I'm gonna log in here. We have different tabs where you can check your existing agents, statistics, networks. We're working on networks right now. But here you can create an API token. So I'm going to create a token called demo, right? And we're going to copy that token. We're going to go back into our console and we're going to run dlm setup. We have to paste our token and confirm our mail address. It should say that it has been successfully verified and the configuration has been saved. We can check that everything is correct with dlm status, and we see that it is indeed connected to our organization. So I'm going to deploy a very simple agent here. I'll show you the structure. It's very simple. We have a Docker file. Those that, like the people that have already built Dockerized application will be familiar with this Docker file. It just specifies how to build a Docker image. And so it's really simple to build. But I'll show you that the platform will build it automatically for Python APIs. If the Docker file is not specified, it will try to build it as a Python API. There are some restrictions into the types of applications that you can deploy. So for the current time, we need to expose this port 8080. So the API has to be running on port 8080 due to some technical limitations. For now, that's a requirement. And we will also have this maestro.yaml that contains different configurations for your agent. So this is a very simple example of an agent. We will go deeper into this configuration file in a future video, but for now you just need to take into account that we will be using the data inside of the maestro.yaml. Then we have our application. It's a very simple API, right? A very simple fast API. You can use any Python library here. You can use other frameworks if you want. And it's very important that you implement a /health endpoint to check if your current container is running. So we will be using this to check if it's running, so it's necessary to have it there. Afterwards, I'm just going to run dlm deploy. And that is going to start the deployment process. So let's give it some time. Okay, so here you can see that the application has been successfully deployed. So we will access it, and you can see that it indeed is running our fast API application. Right, we should be posting here. So it is working correctly. So yeah, that's how you would deploy the application into Maestro.